Hey, seventh graders, welcome back. We are 1.5, example 4. Now, this is going to have a new word that isn't maybe new, but we learned it last year, I know for sure, in 6th grade. Hopefully, maybe COVID stopped us early. But the mean is another word for average. So we got to find the average hourly change. It says you measure the height of the tide using the support beams of a pier. Your measurements are shown in the picture. What is the mean hourly change in the height? Okay, so at 2 p.m. it was 59 inches, and at 8 p.m. it was 8 inches. So we got to find the average. So we're going to use a model. The mean hourly change, that's the average hourly change, is the final height minus the initial height divided by the elapsed time. So we have 8 is the final height, 59 is the initial height, so it went from 59 to 8, or 8 to 59. And then the elapsed time is 6 hours, because 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we're going to substitute those numbers in here. We end up with 8 minus 59 divided by 6. 8 minus 59 is negative 51. Divided by 6 gives us negative 8.5. So the mean change, or the average change in height of the tide, is negative 8.5 inches per hour. Okay, so it's going down. Tide's going out, coming in, going out, coming in. Let's take a look at some more here. The morning high tide at a beach is 57 inches. 6 hours later, the afternoon
The
low
morning
tide is
high
12
tide
inches.
at Cape
What
Canaveral
is the mean
is
hourly
57
change?
inches.
So again, same type of
6
problem.
hours later,
Let's see
the
how they do
afternoon
it.
low tide is 12 inches. What is the mean hourly change in the height? We will use a model to solve the problem. The mean hourly change is equal to the final height minus the initial height, all divided by the elapsed time. Now let's match the information in the problem with the model. In the word problem, it says that the morning high tide is 57 inches. So this is your initial height. The word problem also says that 6 hours later, the afternoon low tide is 12 inches. So the elapsed time is 6 hours, and the final height is 12 inches. Now you can write a numerical expression to find the mean hourly change. So you have the final height, which is 12 inches, minus the initial height, which is 57 inches, all divided by the elapsed time, which is 6 hours. Because you are dividing the difference of 12 and 57 by 6, find the difference first. When you subtract integers, you add the opposite. So 12 minus 57 is the same as 12 plus negative 57, which is negative 45. So you are left with negative 45 divided by 6. When we divide integers with different signs, the quotient of the integers is negative. So negative 45 divided by 6 is equal to negative 7 and 5/10. So the mean change in the height of the tide is negative 7 and 5/10 inches per hour.
All right, there you have it. That's a long couple problems, but we're substituting numbers there and finding the average. So mean is another word for average. Okay?